Okay, this is Derek Stoked Livin, and my trusty sidekick Philip. And there's been a lot of hate going on around, and it's a hate towards a certain type of tree, and that, my friends, is the old Bradford pear tree. What does it smell like?
No, I don't want to smell it. I already smelled it at school.
We'll smell it.
I can't smell it.
I know. I don't think it's that bad.
Well, at our school it stinks.
It stinks.
Yeah. So someone named Kylie put it on his friend's desk, and I smelled it.
They stunk. Okay. Well, anyways, people say these things smell like a certain fish. They say it smells like fish. So we are going to test this out.
I ain't gonna touch it. Hey, you can touch it.
Okay. I've got some old cut bait right there. That.
Let me smell it. Ooh, no, I don't want to smell. Probably, let me smell. Just don't get it up.
What does it smell like?
It doesn't smell like the brick, like those things, but that's
what does it smell like? It smells like fish, though, doesn't it?
Yeah, like slime.
All right, so my wife Katie is going to be our contestant on. Is it? I don't know. Is it a myth? All right, we're gonna test this out. But I've got this stuff all in my hands, so I gotta get it cleaned off.
Yeah, go. Shoo. I'll be by the camera.
Okay, Philip, I'm gonna have you carry that.
To Mr. Mom?
Yep.
Inside, or are we inside?
Yeah, we're inside. So, Katie, how do you feel about this?
Not so good.
Not so good? Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Okay. We're doing a science experiment for Stoked Livin. Have you had like a cold or anything?
What? No.
No. So okay. So I need you to smell something.
Okay.
And tell me what it smells like.
Okay.
Don't touch her with it.
Touch her?
Don't. Here, I'll hold it. Okay. All right. Now smell.
Oh, get closer.
Here.
Well, I don't know.
Where's it right here? Here we go. All right. Smell. Can you smell it?
No. Yeah.
What does it smell like?
Flower or plant?
Okay. All right. Now. Smell this right here. Wait. Keep your hands down.
Ooh, I don't know.
What is it? One more smell.
Meat?
Okay, it's a type of meat. What kind of meat?
Something rotten. I don't know. I don't want it close to my face if it's alive.
It's not alive.
It's not alive. I promise you.
One more guess.
I don't know.
Okay, take.
All right, take it off. Show them what the first was.
So.
What was the first one?
This thing. Remember at school and stuff?
What's that? What is that?
Oh, the Bradford pears?
Okay, what are they supposed to smell like?
Like.
I don't know. Like, not good.
People say they smell like a certain animal.
A chicken?
No, fish.
Oh, fish?
Have you heard that? And then that was the...
Why?
Alright.
Well, the Bradford pear smells better than the fish.
Okay. Well, that myth is solved.
Well, at school, on the foreign test, it smelled just like the fish.
Did y'all do this at school?
We didn't pick it.
Where did they get a dead fish from?
Oh, well, it was for our bait for fishing before.
Oh.
And you know what?
What? That fish?
Where'd
you get that Bradford pear off that tree in the front yard?
By the driveway. See, look, come over here, look. Look by the window, right there.
Well, it's not, is it?